on my new Colmen CT200UEX. And we're just gonna basically be reviewing the bike and see how it does. But this bike goes about 22 without the governor. And if you guys come here, I'm pretty sure this is how you remove the governor. We did get the bike released. If my cameraman can get the angle.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to get that angle in. And you probably can't get it. But there's a screw in there that's the limiter. And if you take that off, it'll get doing like 40 to 30.
Right here.
And right now it only does 22. But guys, so this is how you want to start it. For the first thing, you want to click that forward. There's a leak there. That's why that's taped up. You want to click that forward so it's on, or you'll be pushing forever and pulling. And next, you want to turn the gas on. Not super fast, but slowly. Bro, the bike is still on. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I haven't let it sit all day. And then, oh no, you wait to do the choke. And then it should start within like the first pull.
I'll say on the second pull it starts.
Second or third? And then we go to move the choke. And guys, I'm 4'8.5". I'm sorry guys, I'm really short, but I'm 11. I'm the normal height for an 11-year-old. I fit on this really well. And when you guys ride it, come here. Please come here, cameraman. You do not want to touch that because that's exhaust. It can get really, really, really hot.
Really hot.
You're supposed to let it warm up for a minute. I was showing the bike about an hour ago. A lot. Alright guys, I'm about to do a launch with the governor on it. Only goes 22. It's still really fast acceleration. That's the bike, guys. It's pretty fun. Has a lot of torque. It's very like torquey. So when I ride it, I'm like, back a little bit. Yeah, guys, it's really fun. I do recommend riding in pants. You know, it's just like a 95. It was 95 degrees out earlier. It's really hot down here. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna give you guys some few more rides on the bike. Probably it for the video. And all right, see you guys in the next one. Peace.